Hello everyone, welcome to रीना Academia. Hope you all are doing good. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि करंट अफेयर किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। तो आज हम इस सेशन में टॉप 80 एमसीक्यू करेंगे जो 12 से 18 मई में जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू बन सकते थे वो मैंने सारे इस वीडियो में कवर अप किए हैं। सो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना। सो आज स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना डिले के। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज where was the sixth meeting of group of friends of traditional medicine held? The correct answer is Geneva. Next question. Which union minister launches voluntary blood donation drive to support national security effort? The correct answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Next question. Which company launches Bulbul B2 text-to-speech model with 11 Indian languages? The correct answer is Sarvam AI. Next question. The Quadrilateral Security Dialogue conducted a tabletop exercise in which place? The correct answer is Hawaii. Next question. India has signed a term of reference for a comprehensive economic partnership agreement with which country in May 2025? The correct answer is Chile. Next question. Which legislative assembly became first in the country to fully empowered with solar energy? The correct answer is Delhi Legislative Assembly. Next question. United Nations Global Road Safety Week 2025 is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is 12 to 18 May. Next question. High Mobility Artillery Rocket System is developed by which country? The correct answer is United States of America. Next question. Which glacier in Nepal is believed to be the first glacier to be declared dead due to significant shrinkage and retreat? The correct answer is Yala Glacier. Next question. Nai Disha initiative was launched in which city to reintegrate school dropout into the education system? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. The Reka tribe is in news is primarily found in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Which state has secured the first position in implementing the Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme? The correct answer is Bihar. Next question. Who represented India at the 18th Victory Day celebration in Moscow, Russia? The correct answer is Sanjay Seth. Next question. Recently, where was the 10th International Trade Fair organized? The correct answer is Nepal. Next question. Which Indian origin woman has been appointed as the Canada Minister for Foreign Affairs? The correct answer is Anita Anand. Next question. Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, has recently inaugurated country's first 3nm chip design center in which two cities? The correct answer is Noida and Bengaluru. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC? The correct answer is Ajay Kumar. Next question. Subhana Ayappan, who was recently died, belonged to which field? The correct answer is former ICRDG. Next question. Which state has granted property tax exemption to defense personnel? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. जनता की कहानी मेरी आत्मकथा मा is an autobiography of which political leader? The correct answer is Bandharu Dattaraya. Next question. Which country became country champion at World Bank Land Conference 2025? The correct answer is India. Next question. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive World Law Congress Honor Award? The correct answer is Bhuvan Ribhu. Next question. Which operation will be launched for the safe conduct of Amarnath Yatra by security forces? The correct answer is Operation Shiva. Next question. The India first geothermal production well has been constructed in which state? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. A low-cost counter-drone system with micro-rocket tested by India. What is the name of that drone? The correct answer is Bhargavastra. Next question. International Day of Families is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is 15th of May. Next question. Which country became the first country to integrate crypto payment in tourism? The correct answer is Bhutan. Next question. Who won the 2025 CCI Billiard Classic title in Mumbai? The correct answer is Pankaj Advani. Next question. Which country is the first in South America to host the FIFA Women World Cup? The correct answer is Brazil. Next question. India 2047 leading the global economic order released by? The correct answer is Prakash Sharma. Next question. Which actor has been honored for philanthropic work during COVID-19? The correct answer is Sonu Sood. Next question. Bhutan Drug Green Power Corporation signed a hydropower expansion MOU with which Indian company? The correct answer is Adani Group. Next question. Which state is hosting the 2025 SAF Under 19 Championship for first time? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. INS Tamal belong to which class of frigate? The correct answer is Kiravak 3 class. Next question. With whom has DPIT signed deal to empower startup MSME and entrepreneurs? The correct answer is Hafel India. Next question. To educate children of migrant worker, Jyoti scheme is launched by which Indian state? The correct answer is Kerala. Next question. Recently, which city joined WHO Global Age Friendly City Network? The correct answer is Kozhikode. Next question. The Hadoop drone is developed by which country? The correct answer is Israel. Next question. Recently, Uttar Pradesh has partnered with which Indian bank to launch UP Agri and AI Pragya initiative? The correct answer is World Bank. Next question. Scarp missile is jointly developed by United Kingdom and which country? The correct answer is France. Next question. The Jenu Kurvu tribe has recently seen in news is primarily found in which state? The correct answer is Karnataka. Next question. Which newspaper has been honored with UNESCO Press Freedom Prize 2025? The correct answer is Le Panissa. Next question. The National Technology Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is 11th of May. Next question. Which Indian state typically received the first monsoon rains? The correct answer is Kerala. Next question. Recently, Songar drone are seen in news developed by which country? The correct answer is Turkey. Next question. The Global Methane Track 2025 is released by which organization? The correct answer is International Energy Agency. Next question. Which Indian cricketer has taken retirement from test matches in 2025? The correct answer is Virat Kohli. Next question. Which dam of India is the ongoing water sharing dispute between Haryana and Punjab? The correct answer is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Next question. Recently, who has been appointed as NALSA Executive Chairman? The correct answer is Justice Suryakant. Next question. Which country became third largest producer of wind and solar energy? The correct answer is India. Next question. Which company became India's third unicorn of 2025? The correct answer is Porter. Next question. Which state is set to host the new semiconductor plant approved by the Union Cabinet? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which bank from MEA region to open branch in India Gift City? The correct answer is Qatar National Bank Group. Next question. Which Indian player has been honored with Lieutenant Colonel rank in Territorial Army in 2025? The correct answer is Neeraj Chopra. Next question. US President Donald Trump removed sanction on which country recently? The correct answer is Syria. Next question. Which woman won 2025 World Food Prize Award for Sustainable Farming Innovation? The correct answer is Mariangela Hunguria. Next question. The India Inclusive Summit 2025 is held on which state duty? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. Who has been appointed as the first Hindu woman assistant commissioner in Balochistan? The correct answer is Kashish Chaudhary. Next question. Shakti cyclone has been seen in news in Andaman Sea. Which country gave this name? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. Which operation has launched by Indian Army against terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is Operation Killer. Next question. Bharat 60 2025 third international conference and exhibition is held in which place? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. Which country inaugurated the world first commercial scale e-methanol production plant in Kaso? The correct answer is Denmark. Next question. Which state topped the medal tally of 7 Khelo India Youth Games? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Next question. Exercise Tista Prahar was successfully conducted by whom? The correct answer is Indian Army. Next question. India and which country has recently launched two research projects to tackle the pollution caused by the littering of plastics in sea and oceans? The correct answer is European Unions. Next question. Centralized Information Management System portal launched by which institution? The correct answer is Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Recently, Samrit scheme is in news. Belong to which ministry? The correct answer is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next question. Maduku Dweep that was recently seen in news belong to which state? The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Golden Dragon military exercise is conducted in which two countries? The correct answer is India and Cambodia. The next question. Who became the 86th Indian chess grandmaster? The correct answer is L.R. Srihari. Next question. Illinois Tech University of USA has become first to set up campus in India in which city? The correct answer is Mumbai. Next question. Which state government has renamed the Dibrugarh airport after Bhupen Hazarika, the legendary singer and cultural icon of that state? The correct answer is Assam. Next question. As per the recent research from Ethnologue, which language has become third most spoken language in the world? The correct answer is Hindi. Next question. Who has been appointed as the MD of Titan Company Limited? The correct answer is C.K. Venkataraman. Next question. Who has been appointed as the president of MCC London, England? The correct answer is Edward Thomas Smith. Next question. Book The Tamils, a portrait of community, written by. The correct answer is Nirmala Lakshman. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? The correct answer is Harvansh P. Chawla. Next question. Fourth RIMS Ministerial Conference conducted in which place in 2025? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. Former Indian player DMK Afzal passed away was associated with which sport? The correct answer is football. Next question. Recently, Union Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the BrahMos aerospace testing facility in which city? The correct answer is Lucknow. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.